Welcome. In today's video, we're going to install the Magento Cache Clean utility by Vinay at Mage2 TV. What is Magento Cache Clean and how does it increase our productivity? It's in the name. Magento Cache Clean is a cache cleaning utility. We run it inside our project directory and it will watch for file changes and clean the caches automatically. No more manual cache cleans with bin Magento Cache Clean, which you have to run every single time you change a template or XML file, you name it. Just make your change and refresh the browser. This is a must-have for any developer looking to shave off time off their project and to reduce command fatigue. So let's get it set up. First, we want to make sure that we have Node.js 10.8 installed on our machine. We can do that by running node-v. I've got 13.11, that's fine. And we're going to require this as a global composer package because we want to use this on all our projects from the command line. Okay, so let's switch to our project. Let's call the tool. We want to make sure that we enable all caches for our project, and we can do that with bin Magento cache enable. I already have all caches enabled, so nothing's changed. We can call cache clean utility by typing in its path. We'll find it in our composer vendor bin directory as cache clean.js. There we go. Just running the command like so will flush all of our caches, and if we want to watch for file changes, we provide the -w flag. So I'm going to open up the editor. And here, let's just find a template file. How about module cms.phtml? How about this file right here? And we're just going to write something right there. And there we go. It automatically picks up based on the file type that we changed. It cleans the caches that are responsible for that area. Let's say we change an XML file. .xml, there we go. And let's just change the label. Blah, blah, blah. And there we go. You've got that working. Now you can exit by pressing Ctrl+C, but for me personally, this is a bit too much to type. So let's set up an alias. I'm gonna go to the to my home directory, and I'm gonna edit my zshrc file. I'm going to create an alias and I'm going to call it magecc. And while we're at it, I also have N98 installed on my machine, and I have to pass in the file name. Wouldn't it be nice if I could just write N98? So we're going to do this. We're going to check the full path for our N98 tool. Going to copy the path like so. Let's switch back, set up an alias. Let's call it N98. And let's save that. Let's close that and open up a new tab. Let's run N98. Yep, that's working. And let's run magecc. Something you have to keep in mind with both the commands is that they need to be run inside the Magento directory. So let's go back to our project again, magecc, and let's run magecc-v. There we go. Another thing is you've got hotkeys if you want to clear your caches for certain areas. Usually I don't bother with them and just press A, which will clean all my caches. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.